Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to upload Capcut to YouTube. So first you just have to create your file, your project here on your Capcut. Let's just say this is a tutorial or presentation that you want to upload to your YouTube channel or to your YouTube account. So all you have to do is to edit your project here first, add letters, add words, add effect, everything is up to you. But once you're done, what you're going to do here is you have to export this video. So to do that, you have to click or you have to locate export at the top right corner, and you have to set the correct settings for this. So you have to enter title. For resolution 1080 or 2K, but for the remaining settings here, I just don't want to change that, but sometimes it depends on your video. But for me, I just have to leave it that way because it's just a very simple video. Now once done, you can now export this, and basically once you have or once done exporting, then you will see here if you want to upload this to your TikTok or to your YouTube. So you can tap this YouTube right here. It will take you to a web browser, for example, Microsoft Edge, or for example, it will take you to Google, to Microsoft Edge, and all you have to do is to enter your YouTube right here. Or you can go directly to your YouTube channel and then upload that video that you have created using CapCut. Enter the title here, description. You can also add thumbnail. You can add playlists or create playlists and set other things here. Okay, and then once done, click next and then upload your video. I do really hope that this video helped you. If you find this video helpful, please do like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and we hope to see you again in our next video tutorials.